nigga. Chopper guns in middle school, nigga. I run my block, go post up any day I choose, nigga. But it's a $400 Sprite, pour a deuce with ya. I chose the wrong friend, she popped out.
We're here on a Sunday on a test and tune. It's probably the worst day to choose to come and try to run a good time, but we're at probably 95 degrees out here. But got the new 15x12s in the back of Big X. We swapped the diff with an 8.8. We got a spool in it, forged axles, 35 spline. Pretty much the same setup King Ranch and Grandma's has. We're gonna try to go for the record. Probably the worst. We don't know. This truck never really been at the track and turned up, so we don't know what to expect. Hopefully we make 2 attempts, 3 max. If it doesn't do it then we'll come back next weekend. We still need to dial a lot of stuff. This truck does have bigger turbos, so the only thing I'm concerned about is a 60 foot. So if it don't 60, we might add a little shot just for the hit. But obviously we need to test to figure that out. So
this is our first attempt at the record.
This is the first time we've come to the track.
So if we beat it today, that's good.
Yeah, if we get the record today, then that's good.
But if not, it is what it is.
If not, then yeah, we'll come back again next weekend. So we're gonna keep going until we get it. And we're gonna try to see how fast we could go with this Gen 4 platform, daylight kit, and the midnight trans. I mean, it is. You can show the camera. It's the inside is, but it's still dash, AC, but all the vents and AC, heater core, all that shit's still in it. Other than that, it has a daylight fuel cell. Obviously, brake kit, narrow diff, and front TBMs. Weight reduction wise, that's pretty much it. Nothing crazy out of that, I guess. I don't consider that crazy, but it is missing door panels. But
it's missing 1.5 door panels.
Yeah, we got the other half on this side. Talk like that. But try to make an attempt. So whenever you hit a limit on power or at comfortable, you gotta play with weight. You try to go fast ahead with heavy truck, you gotta add more power. So, yeah, we're putting the hood on. That's a heavy ass fiberglass hood. So hood, passenger seat, tailgate. Shit, it's probably a good 80 pounds right there.
That hood's heavy.
But then my fat ass is gonna drive it, so it probably even out. Imagine if you drive it again, 200 pounds lighter right now.
200 pounds lighter, but we only get 1 pass.
Why?
Because I have to load up. First hit, about to make your first pass?
First pass, hopefully it goes well. I'm planning on throwing everything at it. So we're still gonna log it and see what it does, but the only thing I'm a little concerned about is the 60 foot. This truck does have the 7170s compared to like I guess the turbos under these are 64, 66s. So the only thing I'm concerned is the turbos, which make power, but the 60 foot. So it has 7170s, but we came from 64, 66s. Those hit a lot harder. They spool very fast compared to these. These still spool, but it's DA is hot, so that causes a lot of lag. And this truck's never been at the track. Well, it has, right, but not like turned up like that. So we'll see what it does. The only way, if it doesn't run the record today, I think it'll be the 60, but we'll see. If not, we'll come back next week. And then we'll put a little nitrous, a little 100 off the hit, just to light them up. But should be good. Got a fresh trans, fresh diff, fresh tires. Everything's fresh, so should be good. Should be good. something happened. Probably look at the log. I think it hit some type of torque short or something. And I feel like the truck took off two-wheel drive. I don't know. First time out, figure it out. Yeah, it was a slow pass. It went like a 6. We'll figure it out. Alright, so first pass, I'm gonna show y'all what happened. So what happened?
What happened was
The blue line, look. Our spark.
Alright, shout out Blue Line Coating.
Shout out blue line. That's our spark. We let off the trans brake. Ooh, nice. Spark. Went down to, look at that. 8 degrees of timing. So we made a pass on 8 degrees of timing. What was supposed to be
20.
Shit, they make like 18 or 20?
Yeah.
So that was that.
So that's why it went really slow.
Yeah,
Low timing.
stupid slow. They made 5 pounds on the 2-step. We got to go up on that. But yeah, we made a pass on 8 degrees of timing.
And that happened because you think since the diff is cut, the speed sensors start acting up.
Yeah, so we don't have a speed sensor in the rear. I guess it has to base it off both of the front ones, but only have one front one.
I'm ready to see Edwin's truck, bro.
We hooked up the passenger side one. And then try again. See what it does. Our problem right now is torque source.
You got it, Edwin.
As long as we can go around the torque source, we should be alright. Yeah. Then I mean I can't. But look at them shifts though. I think it's nice. When you look at the log, your shifts look like that.
If your shifts look like that, you're doing something right.
Something right. Yeah. I mean it's not a lot of power. It still went like a 620 or.
Nah, but it'll still look like that, even under some power.
Yeah. Even when they're heavy power, they can start kind of rolling over.
So when they look sharp, they're good.
Yeah.
They start
That's good.
looking rounded out.
This little pass was breaking the trans.
Little A to B.
you gotta go on.
No, just put some heat in the clutches.
So you're gonna let it cool down and then go do another rip?
Same scenario, same everything. Let it cool off, do another hit. And hopefully, I feel though, I hit it on 4x4. I feel like your 4x4 wasn't engaged though. I really felt so. Since they don't have speed sensors in the back, it was on two-wheel drive. Obviously, it doesn't know what's going on. I think that's what happened. But we'll see here shortly.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry about that.
You good? I got a gift.
That's the trophy right there, baby. That's the trophy right there.
What'd you say?
When he got the time slip in his mouth like that, it's a decent pass for that tune-up that's in there. He wouldn't be happy.
What are wrong, KFO?
I got 2 different times. Oh wait, hold on. Alright guys, so we didn't get our record time today. Well, we got a broken clamp, so I guess since we got here we had this clamp. I was just happened to look in the engine bay and I spotted this, so that's that. We basically didn't have a clamp on the passenger side turbo. That's why the turbo was 330 and slow and not 60 footing. Last pass went up 158 still. So not where we want to be. We need to be in the 20s, which we will do. We've done it before. It's just can't do it without boost. So, taking it back to the shop, swap the clamps, obviously, go over the truck, and probably add a little nitrous kit just so we can make it 60 better. But still went at 320, 60 to 130 today with broken clamp, so not bad. It's the first time out. Shit happens. All right, truck's still together. But it's still running good. Yeah, these are loud. But yeah, so made two passes today. Made 2 hits today. We did go 5s.
Like and subscribe, pa.
He didn't say nothing.
Dick ride wood, nigga. Dick ride who, nigga? I been that nigga. Chopper guns in middle school, nigga. I run my block, go post up in the day I too, nigga. But it's a $400 Sprite, pour a deuce with ya. I chose the wrong friend, she popped that whole crew thicker. So what I do, nigga? Chop the whole crew, nigga. No, I'm a player, I'm a dog, I'm a fool with it. I picked the whole bulletproof with about 250. That 50,000 and 50 shots on my new switches. She called me with her friend.